Good morning students. How are you? In the previous lecture I have told you about the formal and informal credit. Today we will discuss about self-help groups for the poor. I will explain this briefly, so listen carefully. Self-help group. What is the meaning of self-help groups? Self-help groups is the another source of credit for rural household, though their share is very less, but they raised the living standard of women. Clear? I am repeating again. Self-help groups is the another source of credit for rural household, though their share is very less, but they raised the living standard of women. Next is, in recent years, people have tried out some newer ways of providing loans to the poor. The idea is to organize rural poor, in particular women, into small self-help groups. Its short name is SHGS. What is the full form of SHGS? Self-help groups. Clear? And pool their savings. Now in this space, one question is very important: how SGS and HGS are the best source to help the poor people? What are the, another question we can say, what are the main motive of self-help groups? Clear? I am explaining the points. First point is, there is in SHGs, there is no need of difficult paperwork to take loan in this SHG. Clear? In this there is no need of paperwork to take the loan. Second point is, SHGs have lower interest rate. Second is, it has lower rate interest. Third is, it creates employment. He gives the opportunities to the poor people. Next is, it also encourages the regular savings to the rural people. Clear? Next is, fifth point is, SHGs help rural women also. It also empower the women. It also promote the saving habits in the society. It also we can say building blocks of the organizations of the rural poor. Not only do they help women to become financially self-reliant, the regular meetings of the group provide a platform to discuss and act on a variety of social issues also. Social issues, unemployment, self-dependence and self-reliant. Clear? Financially they want to self-reliant. Clear? Next is, we can say related to the health. It is also social issue. Nutrition also, domestic violence also, it is also social issue. So we can say it is the building blocks of the organization. Clear? In this topic, these are the main points. Grameen Bank of Bangladesh. Grameen Bank of Bangladesh is one of the biggest success stories in reaching the poor to meet their credit needs at reasonable rates. When it started in 1970s as a small project, it was a small project. Grameen Bank in 2018. 9 million members were in about village 81,600 spread across the Bangladesh. It spread on the huge. Clear? almost all the borrowers are women and belong to the poorest section of the society. These borrowers have proved that not only are poor women reliable borrowers, but that they can start and run a variety of small income generating activities successfully. Clear? So this was the topic. Now our chapter is completed. So read this chapter thoroughly. Thanks. Have a nice day.